welcome to Loris Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made Hagrid's wig. So first off, I cut these plastic grids into 5 strips. I took 2 of those strips, strung them with wire together. I then placed another strip over the circle and attached it with wire on both ends. And then I repeated it so it was a crisscross kind of look like. Now I took the last plastic strip and attached it on the other end, and this is going to be the beard part. Okay, the next step is adding an extra wire to the beard part. Okay, so now you're ready to attach the yarn to this structure. So first, for the beard part, you want to cut 1-foot-long pieces of yarn, and you want to get about 5 or 6. Once you have that many, I'd tie it in a knot in the middle, and this knot's going to help with the sewing it onto this structure. So I made about 25 of these at this length for the front part of the beard, and then for the back part of the beard, which is a little bit longer, I did it at the length, I did about 20 inches long for the long part of the pieces, and 6 strings per knot, and about I did about 6 of them to create the back part of the beard. I then hand sewed the 25 knots of the short part of the beard to the bearded plastic strip, and I just hand stitched it with a needle and black string. And then I did these 6 longer pieces of knots at the back part of the beard and kind of in the middle part. Long of string and 6 strings in each knot, and then I just made as many as I could with 2 things of yarn, which turned out to be about 20 of them. I then started to hand stitch them, the front part of the top part of the plastic strip that goes up over the eyebrow part and to the back of the head. And I put about 14 of them there on that strip, and then I did 6 on the other strip going from ear to ear. Okay, then the last step after sewing all of those knots into the structure is hot gluing like the bang area down so the hair doesn't fall into your face, and some of the pieces so they stay in place where Hagrid's hair kind of falls down to the shoulder. And that's it. Then you're all done with Hagrid's wig. I hope this helps with your costume making, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Your wizard, Harry.